Hi everyone! Welcome to Banana Stand's video series about manual integration into your Shopify store. This video intros the topic of manually installing the product list snippet into your code. Step 1 is to log into your Banana Stand app. For step 2, navigate to the product list tool and press edit. For step 3, we want to preview the product list tool live on our site to see if it's working. Notice that no notification shows up with the product list like we saw in the preview. That means that Banana Stand's not correctly integrated. For step 4, let's check out our theme. Click on Online Store, then Actions, and then Edit Code from the drop-down menu. Type Product into the file search bar to pull up any files with the word Product in the title. Let's check the code in the product-template.liquid first. This actually looks like the file where we integrated our product detail snippet, so that means we can't add the product list snippet here as well. Check out the file called product-grid-item.liquid instead. Collections pages are usually in grids, so this could be the right file. Now we'll want to navigate to bananastand.io/resources and search for the article titled How to Manually Integrate into Your Shopify Product List/Grid/Collections page. It looks like our file name's actually on this list, so we must be on the right track. Scroll down and copy the snippet of product list container code that's seen in the article for step 9. Now we want to go back to our store's collections page. Let's check out the code by right-clicking and pressing Inspect in Chrome. We can take a look at the code and see if Banana Stand is properly integrated. It isn't because we aren't seeing it live on our site. But notice those A and div tags? Maybe we can include the snippet there in our theme code, and then it will populate where we want it to go. So let's head back to our theme file and paste the code between the ending A and ending div tag. Don't forget to press the Save button to update your changes live on your site. Now let's go back to our collections page and preview the product list counter live. Don't forget to refresh the page and you should be able to see those product list notifications appearing under our products. And look at that, they're showing up. That's awesome. Let's go back to our Banana Stand app and make a few minor tweaks to the design of the notifications. We want to make sure they appear on our site nicely, so let's set them to left align and set the margin to a bit bigger. Go back to the collections page and refresh again, and you should see those changes update. Thanks for watching the last video in the Banana Stand manual integration video series. Keep your eyes open for more future videos.